How to export health data from Flow app. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can export health data from Flow. Well, to export your FLO or Flow health data, you need to contact Flow support directly. Unfortunately, you cannot export it yourself through the app as that option is unavailable. So proceed to open up Flow application. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and scroll down here, and you can see the help option. Tap on it. Once under help, scroll down towards the bottom and you'll find contact us option. Tap on it, and now how can we help? I need help with subscription and I need help with something else. You want to select I need help with something else. Enter in your email address. Then you want to enter in query about. You can type in export my health data. Make sure to use the email address associated with your account, and then you want to give more details here down below. Like you want to type in I want my data to be exported. You can enter in your username of your Flow account, and then you can proceed to ask for the data, your health data, to be in downloadable format, and Flow should get back to you within 48 hours through the email that you have provided. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.